Hi, students. Welcome to one of the solving sessions. In this session, we're going to go through some few questions, and this is from four basic mathematics. From four basic mathematics, and actually, this is mock exam, which actually was done on 5th of April, 2022. So without wasting time, normally the new format the students are supposed to actually to answer all the questions. The paper consists of two sections, section A and section B, and all the questions in both sections is 14 questions, dear students. We know that questions in section A, each question carries 60 marks, while questions in section B, they carry 10 marks. So what we're going to do here, we're going to solve a few of these questions from this paper. So the first question, here it is: find the lowest common multiple of the numbers 15, 35, and 40. We're going to use prime factorization method to find the LCM. So you have 15, 35, 40. We are going to break down these numbers, to the lowest one. So by 2, 15, 35, 20. By 2, 15, 35, 10. You divide by 2, it is 15, 35, 5. By 3 will be 5, 35, 5. You divide by 5 will be 1, 7, 1. Now you come to dividing by 7, you're going to get 1, 1, 1. So LCM, dear students, will be 2 power 3 times 3 times 5 times 7. So we're going to multiply these numbers, and when you multiply these numbers, dear students, so you're going to multiply 2 power 3 is 8. 8 times 3 times 5 times 7. We get LCM is 840, dear students. So that is lowest common multiple of three numbers. The next question, here it is: simplify the expression. So we are supposed to simplify this expression here. So what you're going to do, we are going to remove decimal points, so that this number here will be now equal to 25 times 10 power negative 2 times 885 times 10 power negative 2 times 25 divided by 625 times 10 power negative 5 times 5 times 10 power negative 1. So as you can see here now, it is very easy to combine, 10 power. So we can still simplify. Actually, 25 here will be 25. By 25 will be 1. Here is going to be 1. By 5 here will be 1. By 5 here will be 1. 38 is 7. So 38 is 7. 35 will be 7 again. So as you can see, we have we have 177 times 10 power negative 2 plus negative 2, it is negative 4, minus in the bracket negative 5 plus negative 1. So you have 177 times 10 power negative 4 plus 6. Eventually you have 177 times 10 power 2. But we're supposed to express the answer correctly to two significant figures. So this is correct to three significant figures. So this is actually going to be 1, 180 times 10 power 2, it is 18000. Dear students, we go to question number 2. Express 3 power 2 y minus 1 plus 2 times 3 power y minus 1 equals to 1 in terms of p, given that p is 3 power y. So we're going to express this number here so that at the place where you have 3 power y, we're going to introduce p. So basically, this is going to be equal to 3 power y square over 3 plus 2 3 power y over 3 equals to 1. But we were told that actually p equals to 3 power y. So you have p square over 3 plus 2 times p over 3 equals to 1. You can multiply by 3 both sides. So you're going to have p square plus 2p equals to 3. Eventually we have actually a quadratic equation like that. Mind you, we're supposed to express only p, the expression in terms of p. So this is the expression having, all p values, dear students. The next one, determine the value of x in the given equation. So from this equation, I'm going to take this to this side. So you're going to have log 3x plus 2 comma 10 minus log x minus 4 base 10 equals to 1. By using division law, you're going to say this is log 3x plus 2 over x minus 4 equals to 1. Expressing this into exponential form, you have x minus 4, you have 3x plus 2 over x minus 4 equals to 10 power 1. So basically, we are going to have 3x plus 2 equals to 10x minus 4. We open the bracket, you have 3x plus 2 equals to 10x minus 40. Collect like terms, so you have 10x minus 3x equals to 40 plus 2. You have 7x equals to 42. So x will be 42 over 7. The value of x is going to be 60, dear students. Question number 3. In a certain school, 40 students were asked about whether they like tennis or football or both. It was found that the number of students who like both tennis and football were 3 times the number of those who like tennis only. Furthermore, the number of students who like football only was 6, more than twice the number of students who like tennis only. However, for students like neither tennis nor football, represent the information in a Venn diagram, letting x be the number of students who like tennis only. So we have two sets here, dear students, in which we have students actually who like tennis. So this is a set representing students who like tennis, and this is the set representing students who like football. So we were taught that x represents the number of students who like tennis only. So tennis only is going to be x. Okay? And we were taught that it was found that number of students who like both tennis and football, this number here, were 3 times the number of students who like tennis only. So it means here is going to be 3x, dear students. And furthermore, number of students who like football only, the number here was 60, more than twice the number of students who like tennis only. So here is 3x plus 6. The number of students who like football only was 60 more than twice the number. So here is 2x plus 6, sorry. It's going to be 2x plus 60. However, for students like neither tennis nor football, so it means four students were in this part, dear students. So we have already actually presented the information by using Venn diagram. Now use the result obtained in part A to determine probability that a student selected a random like football only, both football and tennis. First of all, we have to find the value of x. Mind you, we were told that the school actually has 40 students. So if the school has 40 students, dear friends, you have now 4 plus x plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. The result is going to be 40. So 4 plus 6, you get 10. 10 plus 6x equals to 40. 6x will be 40 minus 10. 6x will be 30. The value of x will be 30 over 60, which is 5. So football only, number of football only uh, is going to be equal to 2x plus 6. So your 2 times 5 plus 6, you get 16. And number of those who like both football and tennis, number of football intersection tennis, we know that it is 3x. It is 3 times 5. Of course, it is 15. So now the probability for case 1, probability of having, football only, you're going to take number of event divided by number of sample space. And number of event here is 16 divided by total number of students, which is 40 dear students. So by 8 it is 2, by 8 here it is 5, you get 2 over 5. The case when you have intersection, so again, probability of event for case 2 will be again number of event divided by number of sample space. When you do that, we're going to get actually 15 over 40 by 5 by 5. When you simplify by 5 will be 3, by 5 will be 8, dear students. Yeah. So this is how we were supposed to attempt the first 3 questions. So we're going to end up at this point. Till next time, dear students, when we will continue with question number 4 and so forth. I wish you all the best.